Hi, I'm Will at Blackburn Audi, and I'm delighted to be showing you around this approved used Audi.
And here we have another beautiful example of the Audi A1 Sportback S line, sporting a 25 TFSI petrol engine that produces 95 PS. Combine that with its 5-speed manual gearbox, you get a 0-60 time of just 11.5 seconds and a fuel economy of up to 49 miles per gallon. This particular A1 is finished in a gorgeous Chronos Grey Metallic paint, which contrasts beautifully with the black roof and the black window trims. The front of the car sports these stylish LED headlights for maximum visibility whilst out on the road, alongside these gorgeous 17-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloy wheels that really gives this car the road presence it deserves. Moving to the rear of the car and taking a look in the boot, for such a compact car it certainly does not disappoint. We have enough space in here for your weekly shop and any luggage you may need to carry, and for any larger loads those 3 seats also fold down. Moving inside the car and taking a look in the rear interior, we have the leather and cloth upholstered seats with the ISOFIX mounting points, and moving to the front of the car, its contemporary design is only furthered with the S embossed logo front sport seats, the Audi MMI, and the 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel. The doors house black piano finish inlays for an added style points. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we have buttons on the right for volume control, voice activation and those hands-free calls, and on the left to control the Audi virtual cockpit, allowing for a more customisable experience whilst out on the go. And of course this A1 would not be complete without the cruise control function, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives, allowing you to focus on the handling of the car. Taking a look at the MMI, it houses menus such as the car menu, allowing you to look at your driver assist and the efficiency of the car. We also have your DAB radio, allowing you to play your favourite radio stations out on the go, alongside your external media outputs, meaning you can play your favourite songs on the go. We also have telephone connectivity for those hands-free calls, which also includes Apple and Android CarPlay, allowing for a more connected drive. Just below the MMI, we have the controls for the dual zone climate control. This allows both the front passenger and driver to change the temperature on their side of the car, ensuring no more arguments. And of course 5-speed manual gearbox and the manual handbrake, now making driving this A1 an absolute breeze.
For more information, please call 01254 868 216 or inquire online.